resin 3D printed smokebox doors. One it's plain, the other one with rivets. Now I wanted to make one size fit all, but that's not possible. We all do have all style Trackmaster toys. If at least we have 5 or we have 100 or 1,000. Well, not everybody, huh? But you got an idea. So I wanted to make this one size fit all. So I'm talking about the all style Trackmaster Thomas toys. Here is Thomas, Percy. My question is, should I make it smaller? Because this, it's basically like a flush to most of the engines. Right there you can see it's barely flush. This one is good, but here's a sample. Here is Gordon. This is how it looks in Gordon. Edward, it's basically flush. Right here it's the same size as the smoke box. Now should I make it smaller? My question is, should I make it smaller? I don't know. Most of these engines do fit, so that's the reason I try to make one size fit all, but not all fit to this smokebox door fit to all the models. James is basically, it's yeah, it's flush. I found this one. This is smaller than this, and it definitely doesn't look good. The problem is, if I choose to make some, let's say, some smaller, some bigger, I will have problems with trying to figure out which engines fit, since there are a lot of engines models. It's just an idea. I don't know. I just wanted to ask, should I make it a little smaller, or is the right size? Since it's basically for most of the engines it does fit, but it kind of look well, look a little bigger. I don't know. You are the experts. I am not the expert. I just print and fix, but you guys know more than me. That's why I'm asking. And it's printed black, so we don't have to paint it like I try with this was actually printed kind of this, but I had to paint it black. But this one I don't have to paint it, it's already black. So should I make it smaller, or should I leave it that size? Maybe I should make it smaller, but obviously Gordon, it will look way too small. Here is something that it's way bigger. This is other design, but actually might look good with 2009 James. Is it 2009? Yes, it is. Okay, let me know.